Oh, let's see. Um, there we go. Good morning. So a little status on the project. I tested this issue 3 days ago, and then I asked the user that was exposed to it, and he said, or she said, he or she, boss. I have a colleague named Boss. It's a he. Anyways, I noticed the response, and yes, and especially the second answer is spot on. Yeah, so at least it actually was able to answer the question or fix the issue for me, which is amazing. Like, this is the first time I tried it, so that's definitely a success. I did make a video for Cal at Anthropic, but I haven't heard from him. I see that he's active on LinkedIn. I sent a message on LinkedIn, but I haven't heard anything yet, which kind of sucks because I was kind of think of that as a milestone. But I see he has actually gotten into a new position that's going to help startups apply AI, which kind of just makes it even more like I just hope it just has a lot to do, and I guess so, like getting into a new position and stuff like that. But I really want to hear from them. Yeah, so let's see. Anyways, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a look at the SDK. So this is where I want to do the next kind of set of testing, because the other repo was like my private repo, but now we're like going into an actual organization. Let's see. When calling create session. Oh, interesting. Oh, how long? Oh, last week. That's bad. I've been on vacation, so like we're not that many people. Well, like we are getting more people on the SDK, but vacation really hit us. So we haven't been very responsive. So I do think I have a feeling container is not running and no startup process. This is interesting. So they're able to. Okay, I don't want to apply AI to this because it's lacking context on. Yeah, it's kind of a tricky. Yeah, like this is interesting because the SDK isn't just the code of the SDK, it's a whole huge ass infrastructure behind it. So I can't apply it to this issue because it knows nothing about our VMs or anything. So the issue isn't the actual SDK. But I'm gonna answer these issues shortly. Yes, I'm gonna work on that. It's kind of interesting though, because Pitcher Client has always been there. But suddenly now people are noticing it. Feature request licensing is yeah. Feature request for grabbing single for an organization table management. Don't we have? Okay, so this might be an issue we can apply to. I wonder if we actually have Open API. Where's the? There we go. Sandboxes. let's template create. That's list. I have no idea why it's called sandbox and not sandboxes. It confuses the hell out of me. I don't think we actually have. Oh, we do have that. Do we actually have it now? Get, or do we have list? List. Okay, this is interesting. This is a perfect issue because we actually do have the possibility to do this because we have an endpoint for it. Because we have retrieve sandbox by its ID. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Let's try it on this one. Oh, I'm kind of excited about this one. If it figures out that we actually have that endpoint and it actually suggests an implementation, that would be insane. Let's see here. Okay, let's try it. Let's just try it. Yeah, and we can follow along here and see what it does. Oh, did it do a full fetch? One thing I'm gonna add here is actually do not do a full fetch when adding an issue to background. So one thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add subagents so that you can add subagents here, and then when you do a task, you can, like now you can do a mention of a repo, but I want to do a hash, and then you can choose a subagent to use. Yeah. Let's see what it's doing here. Analyze current sandboxes, list implementer. Yeah, we don't really have tests yet. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this is so interesting. So the whole point there is that I would actually go and do something else, but I'm trying to I'm building up confidence in the service. So I already had like one successful issue, and then yeah, I think this is a really good strategy. I should really go at it. Like I want to get to a place where I'm confident enough that I can start actually applying this to open source repos that I don't have any ownership in. That's where I want to get to, because then there's a shit ton of issues we can apply this to and kind of just spread the service. Oh, I'm so excited to show this to the team. Oh my god. This is really, really cool. Oh, now let me implement the new get sandboxes method. Oh, interesting. After the list. Why didn't it replace the list? Let's see at the end what it does. Oh, interesting. It says no repositories found. That's just okay. So if I refresh here, it finds the repository. But it's interesting. Like that's the thing. You're not supposed to kind of be following the messages. Oh, it doesn't find. Why doesn't it find the repository? That's weird. That's a bug. And it's not like a super great repo in terms of like we do have type checking, I think, as a script. Builds the project. Let me add a section to the this is the amazing thing, right? It would take forever to do this for someone who didn't understand didn't have the context of the project. Now let me commit the changes. Yes, please do. Yeah. Let us actually look at the issue here, see if it pops in. There we go. Perfect. Like that, it kind of, that's the weird thing. It's like successfully efficient sandbox routine for close, and that's also promising. Oh, get sandboxes. Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. Using parallel requests directive, using the existing. Did the perform? This is fucking amazing. Get sandbox. This is freaking amazing. I want to do some prompt engineering here that it understands just the issue prompt to be on the team of the user that writes the initial issue. So it's kind of like it actually acknowledges that, oh, it's not on our team, it's on the team of the user, right? I think that's also an important like way to not build trust, but kind of feel like this codebot is working for you, so that you want to check it out and kind of, yeah, it builds a closer relationship. Okay, but you know, I'm so happy about this that I'm gonna create a little Loom for my colleagues. And then I'm gonna do another stream as I keep building confidence in the service, and then we're just gonna hammer out a lot of different issues. Okay, cool. Bye for now.